Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon Flex account in Canada. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is head on over to Google and then type in Amazon Flex Sign Up Canada and then go to this page here where it says flex.amazon.ca. Alright, now once we're here, there's some few things you need to know before we start. So age, you must be at least 19 years of age and you must possess a valid Canadian's driver's license. You must own a mid-size or larger vehicle. You must have a valid SIN number and you must reside in a city inside Canada where Amazon Flex operates. So if you're not sure if you're in the right place where Amazon Flex operates. So I've just done a quick Google search. So Amazon Flex operates in several major Canadian cities, includes Hamilton, Kitchener, Waterloo, Cambridge, London. And then here's more of a detailed breakdown. So you can pause this video and see if you reside there. If you do, you're in luck and you'll be able to continue to sign up for Amazon Flex. All right, so once we're on this page, we need to go ahead and download the app to get started. And now once you've downloaded the app, you need to sign up or you can sign into your existing Amazon account. So they allow you to use your existing Amazon.ca account to create a new one for this. And then from here, you need to provide basic personal details during the sign up process. And then from here, just simply follow the in-app instructions to finish setting up your account. This may include background checks and provide additional documentation. And then once you're approved, you can start delivering. So you can begin scheduling delivering blocks that suit your availability.